Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Shobita, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a little sneak peek into our life as we celebrate this season. There are a lot of baking that we're doing in this video, and there's a small DIY. We always wanted to have a Christmas tree, especially for the kids to decorate and stuff like that. But when we went and saw the Christmas trees in the shops, we really didn't like it. I mean, like, it's just normal like everybody else's, and we wanted something different, something which shows our trademark. So we decided that we will come up with a plan to make our own Christmas tree. And I have also put up a recipe for you guys. It's a chocolate crinkle cookie, and I hope you guys will make it and you will enjoy it with your family. There is also like decoration in the video, and also cleaning and stuff like that. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and as you come along, and I hope that you will have a lot of fun seeing our life as we celebrate this Christmas.
We started off with making fruits and nuts Christmas cake. This year we did not soak the nuts and fruits for a long time because we were out of town. So I soaked for only 48 hours, but it still turned out really yummy. We had even made decorated cookies as a family on the Christmas Eve, but since this video was already so long, we didn't want to include that. But if you want to follow me every now and then, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram account. And so while the cake was in the oven, we started making our Christmas tree. We made this tree using beadings. First we planned to screw in small nails onto the beading to hang the ornaments. But because we have a baby who runs around crazy, we decided to leave that, leave the stick plain and to tie the ornaments onto the stick with tiny wires, which you will see here in some time. We love to snack on when we are working, and the Christmas cake was perfect. Then we attached the small beadings between the triangles in a zigzag pattern.
So this is the mess after I finished baking one cake. And then I have so much dishes to be done.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Once we had a clean kitchen, I started making chocolate crinkle cookie with Sam. To make these cookies, I sifted 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I mixed it together and kept it aside. And in the stand mixer, we added 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of oil and beat it on medium-high speed for about 2 minutes until it was light and fluffy. Then we added in 2 large eggs one at a time, beating it on medium-low speed until it's mixed in. And finally we added the dry ingredients into the egg oil mixture little by little and beat until it was combined together. Once it's combined, we spread a cling film onto the countertop and poured the content into the cling film and covered it tightly, forming a ball. And this we refrigerated for about 2 hours. This is a very easy method of making chocolate crinkle cookies other than this setting time of 2 hours. Once the cookies was kept in the fridge for setting, I quickly cleaned up the house.
So this is a condition of Sam's room. Yesterday we were trying to make some decorations for Christmas, and after making everything, this is the only place we so far decorated, and this is the situation. So we need to clean up.
After cleaning the house, we went on to decorate the Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? Even though we just planned this for fun, we loved the whole process of figuring out different steps, and once it was all done, we really loved it. And we thought we will keep this tree till Jan before taking it down. And then it was time for making our chocolate crinkle cookies. We lined the cookie tray with parchment paper and kept a ball of powdered sugar along with it. From the mixture, I formed a 1-inch dough ball, and Sam rolled them in the powdered sugar, coating it on all sides. Then we placed them on the sheet 2 inches apart. So this dough mixture will be a little sticky, and you will need to wash your hands and dry it after every say 5 to 6 balls. And we bake these cookies for about 10 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. These cookies need to be cooled on the tray for 3 minutes and brought to room temperature on a cooling rack. Then you can store these cookies in an airtight container for about 2 weeks. While the cookies were baking, we quickly did rest of the decorations. We kept it very minimal this year, and it was really a lot of fun.
That is how we celebrated our Christmas. We had a lot of fun this year with the kids making cookies, making Christmas cake, and wishing our friends and relatives and family. And in this process, we realized that we actually don't need much to celebrate or to have a good time. We can always have fun in our own way, in our own special way. And so hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And also, at the same time, I really wish and hope that this new year is going to bring lots of joy to our lives. Let's hope for a better future. Once again, wishing you guys a very merry and blessed Christmas and a happy new year.